Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 2D drawing in SolidWorks software. I already made 3D modeling. I will convert this into 2D. Before starting, I am requesting you to all please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Ctrl N, select drawing, OK. Select the template here, which template you want. Click the model. Select the view, front, side and top and ISO view. Click this, hidden lines visible, apply. Align the views. Give the dimensions. We can give the two methods. With the model items also we can give. I will give manually. Here to here 20 mm. And this radius is 20, diameter is 20. Side dimensions from here to here just 10 mm. From bottom to hole center 50 mm. Side dimensions are I think two views is not required. I will remove this top view. Rib thickness we can show in the side view also, or I will remove this side view. Give the width first 50 mm. Rib thickness is 10 mm. Change this into original color. Increase the scale. Friends, if you like this session, please hit the like button for better reach. Change this color. Friends, in the last session also I told you don't require these 2-digit numbers, zeros. I will remove this. Dimensions trailing zeros, remove. Okay. I hope all the dimensions are covered. If anything is missing, please let me know in the comment box. Give the radius here, R2. Give the view names if you required. Top view, ISO view. That's it friends. Base dimension is 100 by 50 and thickness is 10 mm. Next there is one flange that height is 50 mm and R20 means diameter 40 mm. Rib dimension is 10 mm thickness. So that's it friends. I hope you like this session, and also I am requesting you to please don't forget subscribe my channel. Save the part. Thanks for watching this session friends.